Well, it's Winter Wonderland Tablescape time. This is going to be a winter theme. I don't know if you've noticed or not, the pine cones on this runner are the same kind of pine cones that I have on the table that look like roses. Isn't that wonderful? I just realized that myself. Now there are other kinds of pine cones like this, but this is the pine cone that is on my table. Isn't that glorious? Oh, I'm so happy. Let me know what you think. Well, on this tablescape, I'm going to use my wood runners. I know it seems like I should use something fancier, but I wanted to keep the natural elements in because of the pine cones that I'm using on this tablescape. So I thought this worked out pretty good. What do you think? Give me a comment and let me know. Now I know it looks odd, and maybe to some of you, but I like the way it looks. I used the wood chargers, and then I used my beautiful silver plates. These are a glass plate, and they're really, really pretty, and I really, really love them. And I also wanted to share with you these beautiful napkins that I got, and I bought them to go with these plates. The plates I got last year, the napkins I bought this year, and I bought them at Home Goods. I think they were $7.99. They were a beautiful, and I just love it. And of course, gray is one of my favorite colors, gray and silver. So I'll be using them a lot in the future, and they do go with the gray and silver over here also. So I think everything is working together. What do you think? I love it. Annalie made these for me. I had to wait a little while because I guess they're pretty difficult to make. But as you can see, color-wise, they go beautiful, and I love everything about them. You can have them going this way with the little pearls in the front, or you can turn it around. But I think it worked really good with my silver plates and my beautiful gray and silver napkins. Not quite sure which one I like the best because both ways are just beautiful. I may leave it like this just to shoot my final picture. And I have another way I want to show this, and you tell me which one you like the best when I'm done. I decided to just leave it like this, and I thought it looked pretty. It looks a little fancier having this beautiful upscale up here in the top. Don't forget to stay tuned. I have a little more surprise to show you on this table. We're not done yet. I put my tiered tray here, so if you were going to have a brunch, you could put your little sliced sandwiches on the second one, and on the top one, you could put your desserts. I think it would look very pretty on a little table. What do you think? I think it's coming along just perfectly for me. But you know, I love whimsy, and I love English teas, and love beautiful accessories. One of my pieces I just bought from Annalie this last week. When I saw it, I knew I had to have it because I have quite a few pink pieces, and I'm going to be getting a lot more in the future. It's one of my favorite themes to do, and of course, I love my pink flower arrangement. So, it came with the glass, came with the base, and it came with this candle. Now, you may be surprised. It looks like a real candle, but it's not. And that's the best part of all. You can place it inside and not worry about a fire. And I'm going to show you what I was worried about. Did you see? I put all the beautiful potpourri around the candle. Being that it's not a real candle, you won't have to worry about a fire hazard. Is it not beautiful? All lit up. I loved it. Let me know what you thought. We're still not done, guys. We're still working on this centerpiece. Okay, here is my glassware, and I already had these coasters, and they have a little flecks of pink in them, and they're also silver. So I'm thinking everything is going great so far for this Winter Wonderland. Well, I'm still not done, but I wanted to show you this version of this beautiful centerpiece. This is my elegant whimsical tablescape for Winter Wonderland. Now, keep in mind, guys, we're going to do a twist next, so don't leave yet. or you're going to miss an awesome, cute tip. I thought it turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you thought. And let me know if you like this version or the second version that's coming up in 1 second. Don't go anywhere. I was super happy with this one. Turned out better than I thought it would. I really love the whimsical part of my tablescapes. And also, I do whimsical and I do tablescapes for two. Please, please, let me know which one of these you're going to like the best. The second one is coming up. Love how this turned out. This might be one of my favorite ones I've done. Just so cute. Loved it. Well, let me get the other one ready now. Dinner by candlelight. Is it not beautiful? I always enjoy a little candlelight. Look at how pretty the candlelight reflects off my cute little bunny. Everything is so cozy and warm and beautiful. Just loved how it turned out. Give me your opinions, what you like. Now I'm going to share with you the new change. So get ready. For all of you that stayed to the end, you get a treat. And here it comes. Aren't these cute? My daughter made them for me. Isn't she getting good at doing these DIY projects? This little strawberry sundae has a little star on it with a happy face. Isn't it cute? Just loved how it turned out. She did an awesome job. You can see how beautiful it looks from top to bottom. Perfect. And here is the other one. Oh my gosh. She, even with this gingerbread man, didn't she do super cute? Look at the little whipped topping on top of his hat. Looks so yummy and good. And it looks like little candy leaves ready to eat. Oh, wasn't this worth waiting for, my dear friend? It was really beautiful. She's getting so good at doing these DIYs. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Well, this was your yummy surprise since you waited till the end. Don't forget, if you're not already following, think about it and give me a thumbs up. Always enjoy them. These are one-of-a-kind pieces that my daughter made for me. Look at how beautiful all the detail work is. The little whipped topping on the top of the star and on the ends. The cute smiley face and all the beautiful things she put on it. This was a wonderful, wonderful surprise when she was done for me. What do you think? Now let's go see the other. Here is the other one my daughter made for me. Isn't it beautiful? With a wonderful, wonderful gingerbread man with a little whipped topping on top of his hat. Oh, it looks glorious, does it not? Looks like candy leaves sticking out of the sundae to suck on, and all the strawberry also. Oh, this was wonderful, wasn't it? Well, here we are at the end of this video with a little bit of candlelight and a little bit of treat. I'm hoping you enjoy what you saw today in this whimsical pink video. Wonderful Winter Wonderland. I thought it turned out great, and we had two different versions of what we had.